G-code is a programming language used in the manufacturing industry to control computer numerical control (CNC) machines. CNC machines are used to automate the manufacturing process, and G-code is the language that tells the machine what to do. G-code is a standardized language that is used across the industry, making it easy for manufacturers to communicate with each other and share programs. G-code is used to control a wide range of CNC machines, including lathes, mills, routers, and plasma cutters. The language is used to control the movement of the machine, as well as the speed and direction of the cutting tool. G-code can also be used to control other aspects of the manufacturing process, such as coolant flow and spindle speed. One of the benefits of using G-code is that it allows manufacturers to create complex parts with a high degree of accuracy. The language is capable of controlling the machine to within thousandths of an inch, making it possible to create parts that are both precise and consistent. G-code is also highly customizable, allowing manufacturers to create programs that are tailored to their specific needs. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and assemblies. The company has been in business for over 70 years and has a reputation for delivering high-quality products on time and on budget. Berkness Company uses G-code programming to control its CNC machines, allowing the company to create complex parts with a high degree of accuracy. If you are interested in learning more about G-code and how it can be used in the manufacturing industry, you can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. The company has a team of experienced professionals who can answer any questions you may have about G-code programming and how it can be used to improve your manufacturing process. Whether you are a small business owner or a large manufacturer, Berkness Company can help you take advantage of the benefits of G-code programming. FAQs. 1. What is G-code in manufacturing? G-code is a programming language used in computer numerical control (CNC) machines to control the movement and operation of the machine. It is a standardized language that allows manufacturers to create precise and complex designs for their products. 2. How is G-code used in manufacturing? G-code is used to program CNC machines to perform specific tasks, such as cutting, drilling, and milling. The code contains instructions for the machine to follow, including the speed, direction, and depth of the tool. Manufacturers can create their own G-code programs or use pre-existing ones to produce their products. 3. What are the benefits of using G-code in manufacturing? Using G-code in manufacturing allows for greater precision and accuracy in the production process. It also allows for more complex designs to be created and produced with ease. Additionally, G-code programming can be automated, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing efficiency in the